math class, we played with what?
Blocks. And sticks.
And sticks. We called them sticks, didn't we? How many of these single blocks are in a stick? How many did we count?
10.
Good. We counted each one and figured out that it has 10. Every stick does, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to learn a little bit more about those sticks and blocks, but before we do, we're going to start by watching a video. If you want to sing along, you can. Okay, you guys like that video?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to hand out the blocks that we played with yesterday. I want you to get them out and put them on your desk. What did the video focus on?
Place value.
And what are the 3 place values that I talked about?
Ones, tens, and hundreds.
Right. We're only going to talk about the ones and tens today. We'll get into the hundreds next week. First, I want you to put out 1 stick and 1 block. Okay? Now, the blocks are actually actually known as units, or a unit because you have one block. Units represent the ones place. Does ones place sound familiar?
Yeah.
From what?
The video.
Right. They also talked about tens place, right?
Yes.
Sticks are actually known as rods, or a rod if you have one stick. A rod represents the tens place. Since we've been calling them sticks and we now know that they're actually called rods, we're not going to be calling them sticks any longer, okay? So if I ask you to show me 2 rods, how would you do that? Good. Okay, put your one rod back up by your unit. Now I want you to put one rod and 2 units. And I'm going to hand out a worksheet for you. Okay, ignore the blocks right now and follow along with me as I read the directions on our worksheet, okay? Directions. Look at the number given and use the units and rods on your desk to show the number. Then use the given units and rods below to color in the correct amount from the given number. Does everyone understand?
Yes.
Okay, put your name and date on the top of the page, please. Alright, can someone tell me which number is number 1 showing?
12.
Right. So since we have 12 and you have one rod and 2 units, do you see a connection there?
Yes.
Okay, what is the connection?
That is 12.
Can you count them out to make sure?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good, so they're the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Alright, what if you put down 2 rods and add 3 more units? What number do we have now?
25.
Good. Okay, so what is the second direction of the worksheet?
To color the blocks.
Right. So for number 1, if you have 12, how many blocks are you going to color?
1 rod and 2 units.
Good. So go ahead and color in number 1, and when you're done, raise your hand. Good. How many rods do I have for each problem on the worksheet?
3.
Which is,
30.
are you sure?
Yes.
Did you count them?
Yes.
Good. Okay, I want you to finish this problem or this worksheet. You have about 45 minutes, and when you are finished, bring it up and hand it in to me, and then you can go back to your desk and wait for the others to finish and make numbers with your blocks or play with your units and rods, whatever you'd like.